There, everybody, the train spotted 5000 and welcome to Acton Bridge on the West Coast Main Line. Here's the Virgin trains pendling up bound for Glasgow. You'll be seeing services by Virgin Trains, London Midland and various freight. I think that was 39136. I apologise, I'm not that interested in pendling on numbers today, I'm interested in freight. Let's see what's turning up here at Acton Bridge. Virgin pendling on bound from London Euston. Sorry, didn't get that brilliantly. That was came rocketing. Didn't even see that one. That came from Liverpool Lime Street via Crewe, Stafford, and London Euston. Looks like we have something in the far distance as well. Passing through now, we have a London Midland Class 350 Desiro from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. 350 265. Sorry, but I don't know what I was doing then. And passing through now, Virgin Trains pendling to Liverpool Lime Street. Sorry about that, I had a cough. Also, I think it was 39131. I don't know. And our first freight of the day looks like a Class 66. I think this is a late running one. '66. Backdraft. I'm not sure. I think that's late running, so I didn't write that one down. Shed. I have now switched platform for a better vantage point. Here is a Virgin Trains Class pendling to London Euston from Liverpool, I think. No idea the number. And now passing through is a London Midland Class 350 Desiro from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. Slowing down for Hertford and Winsford if it stops. Yes. 350 106 for the decent little two-tone flat. Is that driver? Didn't expect it because you've got all the way past me and then did you? Strange. We have another freight. Not sure what class that is. It's like a works train going on the freight line. Oh, it's a 92. Oh, 92 032. 92032. I think that's an empty one come from Halewood Car Factory. No, there's nothing behind me. My first ever 92 I've seen there. I like them. I can confirm that was from Garston to Crewe Bashwood Hall. Passing through a... what is it? Oh, it's a London Midland 350 Desiro bound for Liverpool Lime Street. 350 1373. 350 373. Passing through now is a Virgin Trains pendling service to London Euston. I think this came from Glasgow. They're fast and non-stop. That's sparking away nice. Correction, that's the stopper via Crewe, Wolverhampton, Birmingham to London, I think. And passing through now should be a Virgin Trains Class 390 pendling off from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. via Runcorn. Stand a bit back, 'cause this does create a lot of draft. Passing through in the distance should be another Class 350 Desire from Liverpool Elm Street to Birmingham New Street. The lights are blinding. That was 350-242. And now about to pass through is another Class 390 Virgin Trains pendling up from Liverpool Elm Street to London Euston. It's quite a late call, stand back. About to pass through is a Virgin Trains Class Penalino service to Glasgow Central via Warrington, Bank Quay, Wigan, Preston, Carlisle. No, I've got that completely wrong, it's too early for that. It's a 350 Desire mile for Liverpool Elm Street. My head's not working today, I apologise for that. That was 350-376. Don't know why I thought it was a Virgin train by the lighting. I'm weird. Passing through now at decent speeds, another Class 66. I think this is bound for Crewe Bashford Hall. That was 66054. 66054 Freightliner. We have another passing train. I think this one's for... Oh, it's another freight. It's bound for Seaforth Docks in Liverpool. I think this came from Crewe Bashford Hall. Oh, it's a 70. Oh, yes. Whoa. 70004 with a legend driver with that two-tone. Sorry if that camera work was very shaky, but that did not fly through here. I love Class 70s. Passing through now, looks like a Virgin Trains Penalino service, has to be to Glasgow late running. Stand back a bit because this will fly. You always get a spark from the pantographs on this station, they're brilliant. That's a Virgin Trains service from, I think, Liverpool Elm Street to London Euston. Actually, no, that's from Glasgow, that's the non-stop. From Warrington Bank Quay, non-stop onwards. Sorry, that caught me by surprise, it weren't due. Real-time trains letting me down there. Passing through now, we have a London Midland Class 350, bound for Birmingham New Street, via Crewe, Stafford, Wolverhampton. $350-265, I think that's made its return now. As we have a Virgin Trains Class Penalino. Oh, yes, that was a special liveried one. 390-104, I think. bound for Scotland. I'll confirm that number, hold on. I can confirm that was 390-107 because I have a picture of that at Wigan North Western on my phone, so I can... I can't remember what it was for, I think it was for Star Wars. Oh well. Now passing through is a London Midland Class 350 bound for Liverpool Lime Street, picking up speed very slowly because it stopped at Hertford. .350-237 blowing leaves all over me. Thanks for that, Desi. Passing through is a Virgin Pendolino bound for London. We have another freight, class 66, from I think Ditton to Crewe Bashford Hall. .66-127 or 124. I've just completely amused myself. You would have seen the number going past, so comment below if you want to. Now, is it right we're passing? Oh, it's passing through. 350-373 bound for Birmingham New Street. Slowing down for Hertford and Winsford. Yeah, I've changed vantage point for Virgin Trains Pendolino service to Glasgow. Now I'm not going to stay there, the wind's a bit too... I apologise for that pathetic attempt at moving, because that vantage point really isn't good for me. Sorry for that poor film that Pendolino went for. I think it was Scotland. You'll notice I've changed back to this platform again, just to keep the video different and pass the time while trains aren't due. Virgin Trains Pendolino's London Euston. Passing through another freight from the Crewe Bashford Hall to Coatbridge, car train. We're coming to Halewood. 66-128. Carrying empties. Passing through London Midland Class 350 Desiro bound for Liverpool Lime Street. 353-247. I think the Desis are starting to repeat quite a bit now. Passing through now, we have a Virgin Trains service to Glasgow Central. This is great, nice two-tone. Nice two-tone from the driver there. Business is great liveried. Passing through now, London Midland Class 350 Desiro bound for Liverpool Lime Street via Runcorn, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool. Oh, it's a Voyager, Jesus, of the Glasgow. I've just had a Pendolino bound for London Euston and double Voyager set coming by Birmingham to Glasgow and Edinburgh. I can't believe I thought that was a 350 Desiro Voyager. I'm not with it today, I apologise for that. This station has been slightly quieter with freight than expected. Guffey bit has been cancelled. Oh well. There is something approaching Acton Bridge. I don't have a clue what it is because the bridge is looks like a 350 Desiro. Sorry if that's shaking us. Yeah, it is a Desi. Got it right this time. 376. 350, 376. Passing through a freight. Not sure. Oh, it's only double 8 engine. So 66553 and 66554 paired up together. Not sure where they're going. That's very rare to see two coupled up together but not on with something. That's weird. Passing through is a freight, class 66. Not going the quickest. Good. 66803. That was the late running Halewood Jaguar Plant 2 Didcot freight containing new cars ready to be sold down south. Finally, that turns out it's about half an hour late. We have another train to pass by. Pendolino, I'm standing well back for this. I think that's the Liverpool-London service. Let's have a look at the time. No, that'll be the Glasgow-Edinburgh all-stopper Virgin service via Wigan to Birmingham. Apologise, I'm getting everything wrong today. There is something in the distance, I'll wait for it to come a bit closer. Passing through a... what is it? Oh, it is a Desert 350 Zaro to Liverpool. 350... 350-243. I'm not sure, I think that brought me in from Liverpool to here earlier. Looked like MPV with the lights on, weird. Hashtag Desiro Confusion Day. Right, I've moved platforms again, preparation. I'm now going to finish this video earlier than I thought I would have, because most of the freight I wanted to come and see has now been cancelled. So I apologise for that. I'd like to thank you for watching and goodbye.